It's your girl Slay LT, and we are back for another video. This video is actually, it's a medium-sized haul. I'm gonna do it a little bit different today. Even though it's actually two separate hauls. But one is just one piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add that onto this video. The reason being is because I am super tired. I just got off of a flight from out of town. Didn't really have time to do much except for gather my packages and try to get them together. I've already opened the bags because I wanted to make sure that I had everything in my packages prior to confirming the delivery with Shein. So we've already confirmed the delivery with them. So right now the bags are open, so I'm gonna kind of just pull them off of and it did come in this bag this time. This time, oddly enough, it did come via UPS, which I absolutely hate, but what else? Because usually what happens is if I have a delivery that has a shoebox in it, it normally comes through UPS or some other type of delivery service that they have. I don't know if you guys can see my shirt, but this is one of the shirts that I purchased through Ashley Stewart the other day, and it was super cute. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it on a plane back home. I did have it packed in my bags. Right now I'm still, you guys know I'm on my weight loss journey. I did some exercises when I was at home. I went to the gym for about an hour, even though I was on vacation. Well, a little mini vacation. It wasn't really a big vacation, but I'll talk to you guys about that in another video. So I'm just gonna get right into this and make this very quick. I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes because I do have something that I am working on right now. So I just want to make sure I kind of get everything in. Y'all gotta excuse me. I am being such a klutz today. Still kind of sleepy. As you guys see this, I'm gonna actually cut this out. Because when I was on the airport plane, this thing was driving me absolutely nuts. And I'm probably going to cut it shorter than that so I don't have it poking at me when I wear this shirt. I'll just do the other one since it's not bothering me right now. I'll do it later, but let me go ahead and get into this video. The first item we have from this one, and actually I don't know if I showed you guys, I'm just going to show this one out of the bag because this came before I left, but I wanted to take it with me, and it was kind of one of those last minute things. I'm not sure if I showed you guys or not, but this is a black kimono, and when I tell you this reaches all the way to the ground, it is super cute, super long, just like I love it. It's just like the other kimonos that I've showed you guys in the past, but it is a short sleeve kimono. So, and I also have that brown one. I wore that this weekend at a mall when I was out of town, so you know, I got a lot of compliments on that. That was super cool. So the first thing that I got from this haul today are these Crocs. I saw these were super cute and they look comfortable, and they definitely look like the picture. It has like the little, I guess you want to say female with the this looks like a spa type shoe. So I probably wear this around the house, or maybe, you know, if I'm just, you know what, I don't even want to wear this outside. I was going to say if I'm running to the store, but I think this would be one of those shoes that I just kind of wear around the house if I'm doing like a self-care Sunday or something like that. I'm just kind of like, you know, doing my toes, soaking my feet, you know, just spending me some me time, doing maybe a facial or whatever. Nothing big, but I thought it was super cute, and it was actually on sale. I think I bought those for $11 if I'm not mistaken. The next item I have, now this was in a separate delivery, it came separately. This is actually enhanced under your push-up bra, so it gives your breast that extra that you need to do a lift up. And it has, of course, the straps is very sturdy. It has a bone steel on the side, which is something that I've been looking for a long time. And it has the adjustable middle straps. So you have 4 levels here. This I actually purchased in a 2X, and the reason being is even though my bra size is not that large, I wanted it to be able to expand. So if I do wear one of those cute dresses or cute tops that I kind of just want to give an extra to, I definitely have the space to do it. Still losing weight, so, and I'm still on my weight loss journey. Probably gonna always be on my weight loss journey for life, so I don't want to make it seem like it's something that I'm just doing right now. Sorry guys, it's something I'm just doing right now, and gonna change throughout time. It's gonna be a lifelong thing. So you guys will always hear me talk about my weight loss journey and losing weight. So my next item that I have, and guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place today. I am super tired, so this video is kind of going to be kind of like bouncing back and forth, but it's cool. Literally, when I say literally, I just got off the plane. I just got off the plane, so, and got home and just kind of gathered my stuff. So this is a jumper. It has a cuff bottom. It is a two-top jumper, which I thought was super cute. It is that leopard type print, but it's like a more summery type print. And I really, really love the colors on this. This is super cute. Now, some of the reviews that I read on it, it did state that this was like really see-through, but I guess to each his own. For me, I can't really see it being see-through with the color pattern, and even if it is, I think for me, what I'll probably end up doing is just wearing a thong under it to kind of mask anything that could possibly show. So I thought that was cool. And again, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. And the reason I say that is because normally if you watch my videos, you know that I will normally post pictures in it. So you will see the pictures in the drop box below. So that will kind of give you guys idea of how it looks, how it's going to look on your body when you put it on. And hopefully you guys will like it. So the next thing that we have here, I'm just trying to kind of get it a little bit organized. Because like I said, I just kind of took them out the bag and kind of went through just to make sure. Actually just purchased another haul. I wish I had went on and confirmed, so I could have gotten my Shein points for that, but I did not. So I'm kind of upset that I didn't follow my normal pattern. Okay, so these jeans actually look a lot smaller than what I thought they were going to be. This is a 1X. I probably should have gotten this in a 2X. But it does have like the wide legs at the bottom. It does stretch. It does have stretch to it. But my only concern is the waist area. These will actually be the first denim jeans that I purchased from Shein. Even though I purchased denim jeans before, they were much larger. So okay, I'm sorry, you guys. I was having some issues with my camera. Yeah, so these jeans, like I said, I probably should have went, because of the waist, I should have went up a size, but it's cool. Definitely gonna see what I can do to get into them. So, again, I'm not gonna purchase super large clothes, that I'm probably not gonna be able to wear, soon, hopefully, with my goals that I have. Anyway. The next item is a denim dress. Now this should definitely fit now. It does have a long zip. It's sleeveless. It is sleeveless, which I absolutely love. And it has a long zip that comes all the way down to where the seam comes. Where the split comes. And I thought this was super cute. This actually was about to sell out. I did buy this. I believe this is in a 1X. It's either 1X or 2X. Because I can't remember if I decided to go up a size. It doesn't even have a thing on it, which I'm sure it does some. Oh, here it goes. This is a size extra large, which it actually translates into a 14. So because it's a dress, in dresses, because my top is more smaller, bottom's more wider, I do have the ability to wear those sizes. So I don't really have to worry about that. I can more than likely wear that now, which probably won't be until when it gets a little bit warmer outside. And these, I actually bought these to kind of go with the denim dress, as well as the pants. I think these will actually be cute with those pants as well. Does smell a little factory-ish, but it's cool. Only thing I didn't like about it was the heel, but it doesn't look like the heel is super long, so that should be good there. But I love these. These are absolutely gorgeous. They are gorgeous. And I do have a lot of sandals like that with that size heel, so it's not too bad. And again, if you guys haven't seen any of my videos, sometimes Shein's, they have the worst boxes, but I love the fact that all of their shoes, except for like those like little slip-ons and stuff, they do come with dust bags with them. So I like that about Shein. Okay, so I actually had more items than I thought I did. Then I realized I did. I forgot about some things. Okay, so the next item we have here, and I do have another haul. I believe it should be coming today, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. I saw this skirt and I thought it was absolutely cute. Had to have it. It does have splits on both sides, I believe. This would really be cute with like a cream colored top, or maybe it would actually be cute with a black top, or maybe like a sage type top, sage color top, or mint green. This is actually a size extra large as well, so this is super cute. I don't know why. I don't know. You guys know Shein has the worst. I love them, but their sizes are kind of like all over the place. Like some things, I probably said it's something different in another video, but a lot of their sizes, like when you purchase them, you can be on point with them with the sizes, and there's some you kind of like guess in your head. I'm not going to get a double X if I go to curve plus, because that's going to be too large. Believe it or not, I have bought items that were like super large in a double X, and it looks like a damn near sheet, and then you'll buy something else that's a double X, and it's just weird. It's a weird type fitting. So this is the, oh no, I have one more item. So this is another jumper. This is just a leopard jumper. You know, if you guys have been watching my channel, you know I have millions of these jumpers. I'm like a jumper queen. I love jumpers. It simply just zips up in the back. This should be, I believe this is an extra large. It is. It's an extra large, and it's just all the way to the floor. This would actually be cute with like a blazer. Wear it just like this. Yeah. Keep it very simple. Would even be cute with the kimono. That black kimono that I have would actually be cute with this as well. And last but not least, I bought this bracelet. I'm actually thinking about designing it and adding it to my jewelry line. So I kind of wanted to buy it and see how sturdy it was, and see what trinkets I needed to add with it to add to my jewelry. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this right now. And it actually seems like it's pretty sturdy. Super cute. Nothing fancy. It's not a Marni exchange or anything, but it's definitely cute. Go ahead and just slide it on here. Let's just see how it fits. It looks like it may be adjustable, so right now I'm just going to put it on this first clasp until I'm able to kind of play with it. Super cute, and it goes cute with my ring as well. Okay, so you guys, that is pretty much it for now. Like I said, I do have another haul that's coming. I'm probably going to do that one tomorrow. I may do it today. If so, you definitely will see this shirt later on, but in another video. So If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bell on. And so sorry I'm tired today, but it's been a lot. Um, Running through the airport. My flight got delayed. Oh, not delayed, but actually missed my first flight. So I had to catch a standby flight, which literally came 30 minutes later. Thank God. Um, but yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Let them know about my hauls, what I do, who I am, all that good stuff. Um, and I guess at this point, I will see you guys in the next video. I said I was going to keep it under 10. It probably is. I had to split the videos in half, so it's probably right at, if not, a little bit over 10. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Bye.